I just grabbed the Nike SB Air Jordan 4 Retro SP Navy from Kickwho.cc for $130, and with the decent 20 code, you get $10 off at checkout. That's a steal, considering these are going for over $280 on StockX right now, literally more than double. Sizing-wise, they fit true to size, and the comfort level is exactly what you'd expect from a Jordan 4. Stable, cushioned, and surprisingly good for both skating and everyday wear. They really nailed the balance between skate functionality and classic Jordan style on these. Design-wise, the upper is a mix of premium white leather and navy blue accents, with that classic SB touch on the heel tab and the gum outsole, which honestly just ties the whole look together perfectly. The red Jumpman logo on the tongue gives it that final pop of color. Quality-wise, Kickwho did an amazing job on these. The materials feel solid, the stitching is precise, and the overall build is 10 out of 10. Plus, you get all the little extras, custom box, extra laces, the whole package. If you're after a pair that's versatile, stylish, and built to last, the SB X AJ4 Navy is definitely a cop. And with Kickwho's pricing, you're getting them for less than half of what resellers are asking for. Check them out at Kickwho.cc, and don't forget to use Decent20 to save an extra $10.